and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to hide a Telegram chat and you're wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's get started. You can directly start by opening up the Telegram application, and the method that is available to hide the Telegram chat is by archiving it. So in order to archive it, once you open up Telegram, you can just go ahead and find the chat that you want to hide. For example, let's say this is the chat. So you just need to head over and press and hold the chat to select it. And once you select it, you can just go ahead and directly look out for the three dot menu icon in the top right corner that appears. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, from the given menu, you can select the option called archive. Once you select the option called archives, the chat will disappear from your main chat list. And that's it. Now, if you'd like to view it, what you need to do is basically look out for the archive chats folder and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding the archive chat. You just need to go ahead and hold it up. If you want to unarchive it, hold it up, look out for the three dot once again. And from here, you can look out for unarchive option. And once you do so, the chat will be unarchived from your Telegram. And that's it. So that is it. You can follow up this process if you'd like to hide up a Telegram chat on your Telegram. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.